sauce, Kisan sauce no chanko.
Have you tried this one?
Not yet.
This one is really tasty. But I don't know if you're gonna like it, but for me, I really
I like
like it.
alcohol.
Try. Cheers.
Oh no. Like juice.
Lemon juice, yeah.
Mm.
Oh, I'm chicken.
Huh?
Chicken.
What did you forget?
I want drunk. Okay.
Change try it. Yeah? No. Okay. Hey, try it.
Just clean some skin. Yeah, okay. We'll get it. After all, we're going to eat all of this. Spicy.
Maybe.
Just a bit. Just the chicken.
Hey, nice.
No more spicy, so this one is pepper. Pepper flavor.
Purple? I think based on the honey roast and then add the pepper later.
Maybe. The rice is hard.
You cook.
This one? Really? Oh. This one is new?
Yes, you cooked.
Oh my god, not good. Do not serve this to the customer, not good.
Watering.
Watery and then hard. I don't know what happened. Some part are raw.
Okay, we can use for chow fan. Rice.
Don't.
Nice.
The tricycle driver, he said, he owns Mojako.
Huh?
Yeah, he said he owns Mojako. He's the one who put this one in the head. He recognized him. But he decided to throw him away because Mojako is like, they eat their food. I don't know what the term in English, but He jumps on the food.
Mm.
Oh, that's why. He jumps on the food, he grabs some food.
Anna.
And the thing gone. Nothing more. Jacko is a bad guy.
By the way, how much is the alcohol on?
Low. Very low.
Very low, very low. No, non-alcoholic. It's not alcohol. Just a grape juice.
But it's good. It's sparkling.
Not wine. Sana.
But it tastes good.
Grape juice.
No, the same with Avelino also. Not just grape juice. No, it's not just a grape.
Grape juice, no alcohol. Zero.
No, it's wine. But non-alcoholic. There is a wine that's not non-alcoholic, do you know? Red and white grape.
Yeah. Because I couldn't taste alcohol from this one. Okay.
What's that? I prefer to listen to them.
Tastes good.
Sorry. Thank you.
No combo. Okay.
This is me. I give him meat because he kept eating the bones. He choking the bone, he choke. Tastes good.
뭔가? Another one.
Thank you. Jaco.
Happy day for him.
Kind of raw. Keep choking from the bones. Good job, Jack. You eat a lot so you will become chubby. Full already.
Too.
Eat a lot so. You
Right.
a little only. Why?
Thank you. Because juice.
It's not strange. Oh, I'm so cool. Filipinos, like local Filipinos, usually when it's Saturday day, they buy special food. Not just birthday or any special day. Also sometimes salary day.
Every 2 weeks.
Sometimes every month. Sometimes people will receive some Filipinos receive their salary every 15,
Yeah.
30, or every Friday. Small amount like this.
Ah,